Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you if you are getting this error message choco is not recognized as an internal or external command. So choco is a shorthand for software called as chocolatey. Chocolatey is a package manager for Windows machine. If you want to manage different third-party programs from your terminal itself, you use chocolatey program. I'm assuming that you have installed chocolatey. If you haven't, just type chocolatey, download, and just go to select your operating system and just open the PowerShell, and they have given this command, and just paste this command. I've already installed chocolatey, but still I'm unable to access it from the this choco command. For doing this, by default it's stored in the C directory, and there is a folder called as program data. Inside this folder you will find out a folder called as chocolatey. So by default you will see this folder, and just go to the bin directory, and here you will see all your chocolatey executables. If you try to open the command line here, type the same command choco, you will see the command will be successful. So now what we need to do is that we just need to right click, copy this entire location, and just open your environment variable, and just go to the system variable, and then go to the path right here, edit, and just add a new entry, paste the entire path. So after making this change, just restart the terminal and just now open the command line globally. So if you type the command choco, you will see the command will be successful. So in this easy way you can fix this error message, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also visit my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools, free tools.